Namaste friends, welcome to this channel er.pedia. In this video, we will be looking for search button. We will write code to search our data by multiple ways. First, I'll show you how it works. You can see the data in the user form in my computer screen. And here we can search our data either by full name or address or by phone number. First, you have to select this name here and type the name. I'll type here VBA. And when I click on the search button, it will display the data of the person with the name VBA. This is how it works. Now, if I want to search my data with the address, then here we have to select the address and here type Pokhara and click on the search button, and we'll get our data of the person having address Pokhara. And we can even search our data by phone number, and here we have to type the phone number and click on the search. You will get the data of the person with the phone number. This is how it works. This is the simple tutorial to search our data by multiple ways. Now, without any delay, let's get started. Just close this user form. Now, I'll open the new Excel sheet. Here first, I'll close this and Control N. It will create my new Excel file. I'll close the old one. First, we'll create our user form. For that, click on this developer. I click on this Visual Basic. We have to insert the user form. Increase the size of this user form. From the toolbox, select the label and create the label here. Here, change the caption of the label as name. We'll take the font Arial and font style regular, font size 12. Click on the OK. From the toolbox, select the text box and create a text box here. Now, change this name of the text box as txt name. Done. Now copy this two and paste here. Again paste here. Change the name of the caption. Change the caption as phone number. And here caption is address. Even change the name of the text box. This text box is txt phone, and this one txt address. Now select this and align right. Now it looks good. Yes. Here copy this label, copy this and change this caption as search by. Change this color red. Now it looks good. Reduce this size. Here we need a combo box. So from the toolbox, select combo box and draw the combo box here. This is our combo box. Yes. Now change the name of the combo box is CMB search by. we need a text box. For that, click on this text box and create a text box here. Now I'll copy this and paste here so that I don't have to change the font. This one is my text box, and the name of the text box is txt search. And we need a 2 button for search and the saving our data. For that, click on this command button from the toolbox and create a button here. This one is, I'll change the font as Arial, and here we'll take bold, font size 12. Okay. Change the caption search, and also change the name as CMD search. Now copy this and paste here. Now increase the size of this form. Change this caption as save. Now I'll increase this size so that our user form looks more beautiful. Yes, done. We can even change the color of our command button from your background color. Choose any color, this one, and for the save button, select this one. Now it looks good. Yes, this is our user form. Before writing any code, we have to design our worksheet. Go to the worksheet here, and we have to design our worksheet. And I'll type here name, phone, and address. Now increase this size. And this is our worksheet, and select here all border and text alignment center. I'll change the color as this one. It looks good now. This is our worksheet, and the name of our worksheet is the sheet 1. Yes. Now back to the user form. Now double click on this user form. Here select initialize. Delete this. To initialize our user form, we have to type the name of our combo box, CMB. The name of our combo box is search CMB search by dot list. We'll put on the array, and in our content is name, phone number, yes, phone number, and address. When you run this code, and now you can see our combo box has been initialized. Before writing code for the search button, we have to save our data in the worksheet, in the sheet 1. Yes. So first we'll write the code for the save button, then only we can write the code for our search button. So double click on the save. Here we have to take 2 variables, dim sh as worksheet and set sh equals this workbook dot sheets. Here we have to type the name of our worksheet, and our name of our worksheet is sheet 1. So type here sheet 1. Close this and take another variable dim ELR is long. Yes, here ELR equals ss.range this one. A will take the column A and count all the rows of the column A. Rows.count dot ind xl of dot row. Now tell the meaning of this code. This SS indicate the name of our worksheet. In our worksheet, it will take the range all the rows of the column A. This one is the column A because we have started our data from the column A. If you have taken this table from the column B, then we have to calculate all the rows of the column B. Otherwise, it won't calculate. It will calculate the range, but it won't calculate the last row where our data has been used. Here dot ind xl of helps us to find the last used row in our Excel range. It means here we have typed the ind xl of. In our data there is no stored data and our last row is this one. This is our last row. The ind xl of comes back to this row and dot row helps to find the numerical value of this corresponding row. Then it will take the row as 1. It means at this time our last row value is 1. This is the meaning of this code. Now we'll give the message box if our data has been shipped. If message box, yes, if message box, do you want to save the data? This is our message. And if our message is BB, yes or no, it is on the yes or no questions. Plus BB questions. This BB question gives the icon, question mark icon, question icon in the pop-up text box, and we'll give the title question. If this message equals BBS, no, BB no. If this message is BB no, then only we'll exit this subbar. Yes, otherwise we'll store our data in the, if it equals BBS, then we'll save our data in the worksheet and we'll end our if statement. Now we have to store our data. To store our data, we have to type this SS is the name of our worksheet, and in which cell we want to store our data. We want to store our data. The last row is our column section, heading section, yes, topmost section. So we have to add +1, and we want to save our data in the column A. That's why we are typing A dot value. It will take the value from our text box and store the data in the me.txt name.value. It will take the value from this me.txt name.value from the text box and store the data in this cell column A. Now copy this. We have 3 text boxes, so copy this. Now we want to store our data in column B. Here change the name of the txt phone, or name of our text box, and here column C, and we have to type the name of the text box address. Yes, this is the column number. We can write the column number in numerical form also. If you want to write the column number, you have to indicate the column number of column A, then type 1. 1 indicates the column A. Here, this how we can give the column number in numerical form also. Now after adding the data, we want our data to be clear, our text box to be clear. For to clear our text box, we will create a function, reset function reset. Here we want our txt name dot value. This must be empty. Control C. Here copy here equals empty, and I'll copy this and paste here. Control V, Control V. Here change the name is txt phone, and here txt address. We have to call the reset function here. Call reset. Now run this code. Click on this save. When you click on this no, it will redirect to our user form, and type here RAM and the phone number. I'll give the phone number 98765431. This is the dummy phone number, and address Kathmandu. When you click on the save button, it will save my data in my Excel sheet. This is how it works. This is the code for the save button. Now we will put code for the search button. So double click on this search. The coding for the search button, we'll copy this 2 and paste here. Now you have to take another variable dim I as long, and if we put the wrong value in this text box, it must show an error message. For that, you have to type if application.worksheet function .countif, yes, countif. Here type sh.range we'll take the range from it start from the A1, yes, A1 or A2. It will start from the here A2, yes, A2 to C2. A2 is to C2, yes. This will count all the range of this 3 column, and close this. It's equal me dot txt search dot text equals 0. If it will find any data that equals to me.txt search, then here first we'll close the if statement. Here 0 indicates that it won't find any data from our range. It means the source data has not been equal to our worksheet data. this 0 indicate. Then it will pop up the message box, no match found. Yes, this is our VB. It will show okay only. Plus VB information. Then we have to call our reset function so that it will clear the information on the search button. Call reset and exit the sub button, exit sub, and close the if statement. This one here we have to copy this. If you want to clear our data in the search box, then you have to type txt search, and here cmb search by. It will clear these two boxes. Now we'll first check our code. So run this code and I'll type here Rama, then click on the search. There's a syntax error. It is showing the syntax error. Here we haven't closed our small bracket. We haven't closed our bracket. That's why it is showing the error. Now run this code. No match found, it will say. And we'll type another random name. Then click on the search. It will pop up the message, no match found. Our code is working properly. Now when our txt search box equal to, yes, txt search text equals to our data, then it must show all the information in our existing text boxes. Yes, for that we'll take for I equals to, it is starting from the 2 to the last row. Yes, if sh dot cells, I indicate the row, and our row started from the 2, and we'll take the column A. Yes, close this. Dot value, if the cells value equals to me.txt search, me.txt search dot text, if the value equal to text, then we'll display our all the data in the text boxes. So txt name equals sh dot cells copy this. Now copy this and paste here. Now again copy this, paste here. This is the txt phone and this is txt address, and we have to change the column number B and column C. And now in our if statement, and next I. Now run this code. Here if I type RAM, here you can see the data has been displayed in our text boxes. This is how it works. Now if I want to search by phone number or by an address, we don't need to add the much more code. For that, go to the search. Here we have to only copy this. Now copy up to here, and we'll put here the OR statement and paste here and paste here. Here type, or here we have to indicate B to search by phone and to search by address. Here we have to type C. Now run this code. First we'll add another data. I'll type here Sita. We have to increase this font of these text boxes, yes. And phone number 123456789. This is the dummy phone number, and address Pokhara. And when you click on the save button, our data will be saved on our worksheet. Yes. Now if you want to search by address Pokhara. Oh, what happened? No match found. I think I have made mistake in the range. Now I have to look here. I have made the mistake. Here I have take the range A2 to C2. This A2 to C2 only takes the range of up to here. If you have to take the range up to here, we have to I have to give the C20 so that it will take the range up from A2 to C20. So here I have to type C20. Now run this code. Now address, here type Pokhara. Now search. Our data has been displayed here. If you want to search by phone number, then here I have to type the phone number 9876543221. We can get the all the details of the person with the phone number this. And now at last I'll change this font, and this is the font here, Arial, so it looks much more good, regular and 2-bell. Okay. Now this is the simple tutorial about the search button. I hope you enjoy this video. For more such video, subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.